Hey guys, welcome back to the Don McCord YouTube channel. Doing a little trucking today. Today is April 22nd, 2023. One day after I broke the windshield in the Peterbilt. So, gotta go make some money so I can buy a new windshield. Man, I'm still sick about that. But, yeah, I'm pulling a convoy load today. Got $550 on 180 miles, so can't really beat that too much. And I'm delivering to a Publix warehouse, and it's a Procter & Gamble load, so it's all mixed freight. So in my history, I'm pretty much guaranteed to get detention time, so it'll turn into $750 on 180 miles loaded. And, that's not too bad for a Saturday's worth of work. Hello, Mr. Freight Train. But I picked up this load, and it's a wee bit heavy on the trailer, so as of right now, I am, taking the scenic route, if you know what I mean. Looks like they're having a bunch of garage sales out here on Highway 78 in Talladega, Georgia today. So there's people walking all along the side of the road. Sorry about the rumble strips there. But yeah, I'm just doing some trucking today. Damn people. Feels good to be back in the truck. Not really making a bunch of money, but it is what it is. The industry is just not there right now, so my goal is to keep my insurance paid and keep my MC active, and so far I've been able to do that just by running a couple loads a month and just trying to wait for it to get better. I don't foresee it getting any better in 2023. I mean, hell, it could get worse, but as long as I can keep my bills paid and keep the MC active, then I won't be, upset. I have my Monday through Friday corporate job with benefits where I make, enough money to pay my family's bills and keep the household going. So BDJ Express has always been strictly, extra money, and it was good for a long time, and then now it's not good. So we'll wait it out and see what happens. Keep it going as long as I can. Something's got to give, though. I know that. It just keeps getting worse and worse. But yeah, I'm cruising out Highway 78 West. See if I can make it over to Heffin, Alabama, and jump back on 20. Roll on out to McCalla, Alabama. Got a 1:30 p.m. through 4:30 p.m. appointment time, so I'm not in any rush anyway. But the scenic route seemed to be a little bit better option today based on my trailer tandem weight. So, I mean, it's not bad, but it's over enough that they wouldn't like it. And, you know, I haven't been out Highway 78 in a long time. I used to run this way all the time whenever I ran Birmingham, Alabama. My old boss, he was a little bit, I don't know, he didn't really know what he was doing when it came to weights on the trucks. And, I mean, I drive a 30-foot or 38-foot flatbed straight truck with a drop axle on it, and I can grow 71,000 pounds, and he'd have me loaded at 78, you know. That don't fly, so I used to run out this way all the time in the wee hours of the morning and jump back on 20 and run over to Birmingham. But I got a different boss now, and I've kind of molded him and you know, made him realize what weight's all about and how much trouble it can cause and all that stuff. So, if you will, I've trained him the way he's supposed to be trained on weights. So I don't have to run this way anymore. I run straight out 20, or I run over from my house. I go up and run through Cedartown, and then run out to Gadsden, Alabama, and then jump on 59 and go south into Birmingham now. So yeah, been a long time since I've been this way, and I ain't in a hurry, and I'm a little heavy, so do what we gotta do and get the load there. Alright guys, I ain't gonna bore you too much. I'll get back with you in a little while whenever we get out to the Publix warehouse and maybe talk a little bit. I can't find my tripod for some reason, so I can't really set you up in the truck. I don't know where the tripod went. I know me and Garrett had it in here a while back, and I just don't have it, so I can't really get any driving footage right now, but maybe I'll be able to get a little bit more footage later on, or just come back and talk to you while I'm driving. Alright guys, me and Purple gonna get on that way, and I'll holler at you later. Alright guys, well, I made it around the scales and made it back on the I-20 and jumped off here in Anniston. I'm gonna grab my free fountain drink that I get every day from racetrack. Since I ain't in no hurry, I'm just gonna mosey along. I don't know what fuel price is here. $3.59, 40 cents cheaper than what I paid back in Georgia. Damn it, man. Yeah, I'm gonna get my free drink, then hop back on the highway and do what I do. Sorry about that. It's a beautiful day. We had a hell of a storm last night pass through Woodstock. It was quite rowdy. It woke everybody in the house up but my 4-year-old son. My 2-year-old daughter, she got out of bed, opened her door, and was standing at her baby gate like, what the hell is going on? Of course, me and the wife, woke up and ended up bringing Lily into the bedroom, and she slept in the bed with us for the rest of the night. Yeah, here we are. 41,000 in the box. A little heavy back there. Man, Trouble needs a bath. Every time I take her out to work, she gets rained on. Still looking good nonetheless. Oh yeah. Yeah, if y'all ever get through Anniston, Oxford, Alabama exit over here, this racetrack usually has pretty cheap fuel. I stop here during the week and get fuel usually. But I'm gonna get my drink and I'm gonna get back with you. Alright guys, so I got my free drink. Walk around, kick the tires, check the lights. Do all that stuff. It's funny. These Procter and Gamble loads, well, this one that I have on is all Tide Pods and Tide and Gain flings and all that stuff, and you can smell it through the trailer. Alright, the tires are all good, lights are all good. We're gonna head on that way. Get back with you in a little while. Yeah, it's a beautiful day out here in Alabama. And it is race weekend at Talladega. They got the flags out flying. Got everybody out there tailgating. Having a good old time. Y'all drink one for me, you hear? Yeah, just cruising along. About 73, 74 miles an hour. Had a check engine light pop up. Good old electrical ECMs on the diesel. You know how that goes. So I'm sure I got a sensor that's acting up somewhere. Cruising in the cabover, guys. Ain't nothing like it in the world. Not in this day and age, at least. Come on, guys. Get out of my way. Trying to get around this little trailer here. Feed her the beans. I missed my dedicated run that I had every Saturday, but you know, all things come to an end, and there is one nice thing about it is that was an expedited air freight load every weekend, so it had strict time constraints that I had to move it in, and so I was always in a rush. I never got to stop and grab a drink or, you know, anything like that. It was go, 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 go. Get out to Louisiana, swap trailers, get back to Atlanta, and, you know, it's nice being able to sit back and relax and take my time and not feel rushed all the time. And I'm not saying convoy is a good thing, because I don't believe it is. You know, they don't pay enough, but nobody pays enough right now. So for somebody like me who just needs to pick and choose and do a couple loads a month right now in my spare time just to keep the bills paid, you know, convoy has worked out pretty good for me. I can tell you, if you pay attention to the details, you know, click on read the reviews for the pickups and deliveries, you can maximize your profit going in knowing that you're probably going to be sitting there for, you know, 4 hours, 2 hours to get unloaded. You know, you show up like an hour before your latest appointment time. You know, like this one is, you know, from 1:30 to 4:30 appointment time. So you show up about 3:30. By the time you get checked in, get a door, you're already an hour in. And then with this sorted load of all types of stuff that they're going to have to count every bin, every carton, I know I'm going to be past 2 hours sitting at the dock, which will give me my detention pay. So you just got to pay attention to what you're doing and where you're going and how, you know, the other carriers and drivers have rated these places, and you can really, you know, get paid more. You know, I don't mind sitting in the sleeper and watching movies and getting paid an extra $200. Doesn't bother me a bit. Or I don't mind taking a nap while they're unloading me and getting an extra $200. Ooh. So, convoy is what it is, but if you play the system and play the game, you can make a little bit of extra money. Alright guys, well, I'm going to head on that way. Beautiful view of the river here in Pell City. Wish I was out there in one of them boats with a beer in my hand right now. That'd be a good day. But I don't mind trucking either, so. Alright, well, we'll get back at you in a little while. Oh yeah, and I wanted to give a shout out to Dominique, the dump truck driver. As you can see, I'm wearing the Beyond Dirt hat. I've been wearing the hell out of it. I had a lot of people ask me, what's Beyond Dirt? So I tell them to go over and check out Dominique, the dump truck driver. I really appreciate the hat. I've been rocking it proudly, and I just wanted to give you a shout out if you watch this. Thanks. Alright guys, well, I made it out here to McCalla, Alabama. It's like 10:49 Central Time out here. My appointment time isn't until 1:30 to 4:30. I'm gonna roll over there about 2:30, 2:45ish. Check in a little early, and for now I'm parked here at the Flying J at the 104, and I'm gonna hang out, watch a movie, maybe catch a couple winks of sleep, and just hang out for a little bit. But I think I'm gonna end this one off here, and maybe I'll shoot a little bit of video on the way back if it's not too late or too dark or whatever, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.